What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Cash checking in. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I had to get this footage on this, man. Like I said, I think I've been keeping y'all out of the loop too long, man. It's time to bring y'all back in. It's time to get back to this shit. It's time to motherfucking bring this shit to a whole nother level. So this shit right here, we're gonna name this Frankenstein. I'll show y'all the back end of this, but that's about it. Y'all can guess what that is. Anybody that can guess what that is, you're a beast. I seen your t-shirt. Just comment down below. I got you. Once you receive your t-shirt, make sure you motherfucking, take a couple pics in that joint. Shout the young boy out. But besides that, this right here is gonna be called Project Frankenstein. So shit, this right here is a 2007 Crown Victoria police package. I already started off by painting the rims. Boom, and I didn't even get the footage of putting the rims on there, getting the rims, or none of that. Honestly, I think we put these motherfuckers out the garage, but it's a whole different story. But long story short, as you can see, I'm just playing around with this paint, getting it together as we should. But I wanted to make sure I get some content, some footage, because this one, we doing this all with spray paint. I kid you not. All of that you see so far was spray painted with the Economy brand. I ain't gonna cap to you, man. Quick color, y'all gotta get y'all shit together, man. No cap. Quick color, y'all gotta get y'all shit together. Rust-Oleum though, I fucks with y'all, man. I gotta finish it up with some of this, but I'm just laying down this because this shit was only $2, man. $2 So we're gonna lay down a lot of base coats with this shit right here. Damn, those would be y'all. We're gonna lay down a couple base coats with this, and then we're gonna come back through with the motherfucking Rust-Oleum and polish everything up. You know, a lot of people looking like, bro, the sandpaper right there, you can sand that shit down. Man, I'm to the point where I'm trying to get this shit done for as low as possible and as less work as possible. You dig? So I'm motherfucking making my way around, doing my rounds. Like I said, now that I'm doing my rounds, I noticed that I need to touch this rim up. Like I said, though, that's one empty can. And that's the one I'm already working with. Like I said, what I do is come through. But basically, I'm trying to show a lot of y'all young generation out there, anything you set your mind to is possible, man. You know what I'm saying? You could do this shit. I can easily go to the paint shop and get this old little bucket painted, man. But at the end of the day, is it really worth it? I mean, down the line I might, but right now, fuck it. We about to spray paint the fuck out this shit. So, we just laying down this paint. I know some people might be like, damn, bro, what the fuck is you doing? But at the end of the day, this shit right here, that's what I was talking about. Y'all gotta do better, man. This shit go on so damn light. You gotta be heavy on that shit, man. Heavy. Yeah. And as y'all can see, I already had a couple of spots where I laid down some other paint. For the most part, we're gonna see how this shit turn out, man. We're gonna see how this shit turn out. Yeah. Besides that, y'all, everything's been on the up and up. We're just trying to put all of these whips together, man. It's about to be wintertime up here in Minnesota, as y'all can see the leaves falling. Man, oh damn, I peeked the rims off. But shit, we about to keep getting to it, man. Getting to it, y'all. Boy, Cash. Check it out.